Corsair's 4000D works very well. It hides my messy cable management just as well, and the parts are very easy to remove. As such, if you want to clean it, you could do that pretty easily. It comes with two fans, one on the back, one in the front, one in the back. As you can see, you could remove it very easily and place it in just as easy. Hold on, I'm only using one hand. There you go. And the Corsair fan is actually pretty good. I don't know how putting 6 of them in would do, but just the 2 that I got has not given me any issues. Just like that, with one hand, I'm able to take off the front. The back comes with thumb screws, and this is what it looks like to turn it on. You could sort of see the wires at this point, but really the lighting is still very visible, so I do recommend it very, very well.